Tired of getting useless PR packages that go to waste? Jealous of big influencers who keep making thousands of money from one ad? Feeling less and less motivation to run your socials?
Join Mary&May
official affiliate marketing program. This time we're handing you our top selling products to promote: the Debenham cream, eye cream, and the cream essence. These aren't random products. They're viral fan favorites with tons of real user reviews online. No more struggling to sell unknown products. Your audience already trusts these gems. The best part is commissions up to 20%. You also don't need 1,000 followers either.
Even with a small loyal audience, this high-demand product will turn your content into income.
Here's how it is to join. Sign up for the affiliate program and get your own exclusive code. After that, make your own fun and exclusive content where you show your love for Mary&May products. On your post, make sure you add your code, and every time someone buys a product through you, cha-ching, you make money. This is your time to turn your social influence into real money. Join Mary&May's affiliate marketing program today. Your next paycheck starts here.